Welcome. In this video, we will explore how to use JSON data in SQL Server, a powerful feature that allows for flexible data handling and integration with modern applications. JSON or JavaScript object notation is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write and easy for machines to parse and generate. It is widely used in web applications for data exchange. SQL Server introduced native support for JSON starting with SQL Server 2016. This includes functions for parsing, querying, and manipulating JSON data directly within TSQL. You can store JSON data in SQL Server using the envar character data type. It is recommended to validate JSON structure before storage. Here is an example of how to create a table with a JSON column. To insert JSON data into a table, you use standard insert statements. Here is an example of how to insert a JSON object into a column. SQL Server provides several functions for querying JSON. JSON value extract a scalar value. JSON query retrieves an object or array, and open JSON convert JSON to a relational format. Let us look at examples of each function. OpenJSON is particularly powerful as it allows you to parse JSON data and return it as a relational table. Here is how you can use OpenJSON to convert JSON into a tabular format. You can update JSON fields using the JSON modify function, which allows you to change values within a JSON string. Here is an example of how to update a JSON property. While JSON provides flexibility, it can impact performance, especially with large data sets. It is important to use JSON judiciously and consider indexing strategies for optimal query performance. JSON is particularly useful in scenarios like web applications, API, and data interchange, where data needs to be easily shared between different systems. Understanding these use cases can enhance your application design. In conclusion, SQL Server support for JSON allows developers to leverage modern data interchange formats within their databases. I encourage you to explore these capabilities to enhance your applications. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share with others.